Here is how we can fix the dim clock on the iPhone. Let me explain some possible scenarios and problems you might be facing, and let me show you how you can fix that. So if you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. A lot of people notice that whenever they get to the lock screen, their time is looking very dimmed or not the way that they would expect, and you can definitely customize it in a sense, right? It depends on how you have it, but for example, this one is barely visible, right? So you can hold it down on it, click on customize, and at the top you can always click on the time, right? And when you click on it, you can change the settings for it, which includes the font of the clock, thickness, right? So you can make it thicker or thinner, and also the color, right? So as you can see, the default one is this font, right? You can make it a little thicker if you would want to, but you can also switch in between those. But most importantly, the color is probably the important part, because you can choose the default one, which is in the left with the like stars or the icons, which tries to give it the best look based on the wallpaper. But you can also choose it manually, like choose the white one or something which you feel that is gonna get the job done the best, meaning that it will be visible in the best way. So you can choose whatever you want. You also have some opacity at the bottom, because if you literally have this time selected to this, so as you can tell, this slider is pretty important, because if you have it slided all the way to the left, then we can barely see the time. And also at the bottom, one more thing, with iOS 26, as you know, there is the liquid glass mode, so you can also switch between the glassy look and the solid. And if you switch to solid, then this is ultimately one of the best ways to make the times visible, because the clock is now like a solid color. It's not a see-through anymore, and if you check out the different modes, the difference is huge. So that's how you can do this, right? That's how it works, and how you can turn a dim clock and a barely visible one into something you can clearly see. So I hope it helps. Let me know if that is the thing that you are looking for. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, and I'll see you in the future uploads.